Hello children, welcome back in English grammar class. Today we are going to study chapter 18 capital letters. This is part 2 of this chapter. In part 1, I had explained you what capital letters are and where are they used. So in this video, we are going to study the exercise part. Let's start the class now. Before we begin the exercise, let us revise what we have studied in the previous class. Capital letters are used to begin a sentence, to begin names of persons, to begin names of places, to begin names of roads, to begin names of buildings and monuments, to begin names of the days of the week, to begin names of the months of the year, to begin names of festivals and important days, to begin names of languages, to begin each fresh line of a poem, to write the pronoun I and the interjection O. In all these cases, we use capital letters. The exercise is rewrite the following sentences by using capital letters where necessary. Children, this is exercise B of your English grammar book on page number 89. In this exercise, you have to use capital letters where necessary and you have to rewrite the following sentences. First is, India is a part of Asia. Children, the 11 points which we have revised just now in the previous slide are very important and it will help you to solve this exercise. So, India is name of a place. Asia is name of a place. Moreover, India is the first word of a sentence. It should begin with a capital letter. So, India, I capital. Asia, A capital. Next one is, Leo Tolstoy was a Russian writer. Leo Tolstoy. This is the name of a person. We have to use capital letters when we begin the name of a person. So, Leo L capital, Tolstoy T capital. Russian writer. C. Russian is a language. So, we will be writing R capital. Children, as you can see, I have marked the words in red whose first letter is to be capital. So remember, the words in red are beginning with capital letters. So you have to write them in capital letters only. Third is, Walt Whitman and Robert Frost were American poets. Walt Whitman, this is the name of a person. So Walt W capital, Whitman W capital. Robert Frost is also the name of a person. So Robert R capital, Frost F capital. American poets. American, this is the language. So American A capital. Fourth is, the Taj Mahal and the Great Wall of China are World Heritage Monuments. The Taj Mahal. This is the full name of the famous monument, the Taj Mahal. Okay. Taj Mahal is the name. The T is to be capital because it is beginning a sentence. The sentence is beginning with the. So, T is to be written in capital. And Taj Mahal is the name of a famous monument. The Great Wall of China. the full name is the Great Wall of China. Children, I have told you, whenever of or for is coming in the name of a place, you will not write the first letter capital. So we are not writing O capital of of. Of का O capital हम नहीं लिखेंगे. The Great Wall, the T capital, Great G capital, Wall W capital, China C capital. Next is, she can speak Hindi, English and French fluently. Hindi, English, French. All these are names of languages. So, Hindi H capital, English E capital, French F capital. And she. This is the first word of the sentence. So, it should begin with capital letter. S capital. She, S capital. Next is, we celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. We, W capital, because this is the first word of the sentence. The sentence is beginning with V, so W capital. Christmas, it is the famous festival, so it is the name of a festival. So Christmas, C capital. December, it is the name of a month, so December, D capital. Next is, you can meet us on Sunday. U, Y capital, because it is the first word of the sentence. Sunday is the name of a day. So, Sunday, S capital. Next is Mumbai. Mumbai is the name of a place. Maharashtra, this is also the name of a place. So, Mumbai M capital, Maharashtra M capital. Next is, his brother and I are good friends. His H capital, I, because I have already told you, when we are talking about the pronoun I, it is to be written in capital. So here I is capital. Next, Independence Day and Republic Day are national festivals. Again, Independence Day, Republic Day, these are the very important days for our country. These are important days. So, Independence Day, this is the full name of this day. So, Independence I capital, Day D capital. Republic R capital, Day D capital. Are national festivals of India. India is the name of a place. So, India I capital. Children, I hope you have understood the exercise. Do this exercise in your copy and learn the 11 points given in your book on page number 88 and 89. The points where it is written capital letters are used. It will be easy for you to know where capital letters are used. Thank you for watching. We'll be meeting very soon in the next video.